The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, ever since it had been confirmed that Usain Bolt had been tested positive for the COVID-19, or you could say caught the COVID-19 or have the COVID-19, you see me? There has been reports out there about it, and some comments have been made on social media about it, you see me? And in my point of view, some of these comments, I consider some of these comments to be some negative comments that have been made about Usain Bolt, you see me? Now, I'm not going to say much about this thing for now, you understand? I'm going to present a video to you right about now. This video is going to show a person talking about Usain Bolt, and this person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's talking about the COVID-19 and the spread of it in the country of Jamaica and election campaign and politicians and so on. You understand what I'm saying to you? Now, before I say anything else, viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video and then tell me what you think. Alright? Observe.
Alright, people. My 2 cents. This is what I feel. This is my honest opinion from the depths of my soul. This is my honest opinion. I feel say any other for launch one investigation pan Usain Bolt pertaining to what happened. I feel one deserve to launch pan Bro God, and one deserve to launch pan the leader of the opposition. My opinion that. Bro God, me think man for lead by example, Me feel like man for lead by example. So if you don't lead by example, anything you do, you will follow. Anything you lead off your position, you do lead off your position, and who know we are follow to. You understand? So me feel like say any other investigation for land pan Usain Bolt, investigation supposed to land pan the JLP and pan the PNP. You know the spikes of coronavirus. I know Usain Bolt here did that come from. I know Usain Bolt here did that come from. It a come from the campaign them on have a go on. The whole heap of campaign them and the whole heap of gathering them. You see, people they are so into winning that them don't even care who have a mask and who are social distant and who they near and who they far. Bus driver they don't care about the money where them get for care people the back and forth. They don't care who are coming at bus with mask or without no mask. No sanitization now go on in there. Not like that now go on in there. No social distance now go on in there. No bus now anything. You understand? Because me did it and missy with me too yeah them. So me feel like say for investigation for launch pan Usain Bolt, investigation need for launch pan the leader of the country and the leader of the opposition. The whole I don't forget it. So I don't know when I jump and I come go and like say, are you seeing Bolt to cause coronavirus and are you seeing like a party make a country then at the melon now? Who no same one. We are talking about social distance. Me feel like the country run with an iron fist. Me don't know why me feel like that, but me feel like the country rule with an iron fist. Lock down this, lock down that, but yet still, September 3rd, what we are going to lock? How much places, how much polling station we are going to have?
September 3rd.
How much social distance we are going to have down there? Anyways, make that state till the day come. People, me can't understand, me can't understand, Jamaican people, If like today, we are free and tomorrow, just throw it to the dogs. Like say, flip-flop, don't know when to stand flat-footed for somebody or stand for somebody. What here? The whole of we when Usain Bolt tear up the country and the whole world, the whole of we said so, and everybody said so, and everybody are real for Usain Bolt. Now the youth come in like say youth fall now a little teeny problem, minor problem, cause this too shall pass. It's like some comment me here. It should have turned a yard in party too much, and everybody have something negative to say about the youth. You understand? Nobody, me not see nobody really are pushing for say boy. Your condolence, you see it. Everything will be alright, man. Stay strong, brother. Ray. We there to support you and give some remedy and all them kind of thing. It's like everybody willing to cut the youth short. Usain Bolt have a party and enjoy himself. No, because you know what? The man sacrificed his childhood to make himself and we Jamaican great. Him never just lie down in the bed and sleep like how summer we sleep. Until sun hot. 5 o'clock a morning time, 4 o'clock a morning time, the youth dep on the track a run back and forth to make himself and we Jamaican great. Why you think we have the fastest man in the world? It takes sacrifice. And now the youth beat all odds. You know, if it's your time for you enjoy yourself, man. A full time for youth enjoy himself. Now say him do it in a one right time. Now say this is the right time that he do all of that. But me feel say you for enjoy himself to the fullest because you did it and he did great and he not do it for himself but he do it for the country. A full time for he enjoy himself. And he see him set of people there with it and say, yeah, you see him, go, you see him. And I put up flag and now them are going to say, he party too much and him have birthday party and him invite. Hey, no easy, you know. Because let me tell you something. Yourself, you see him both ever send us some invitation on the family, some invitation. All the dog in our yard on our work here. Everybody that charge up them phone and everybody that get ready and everybody want to go snap with you saying and everybody want to go party with you saying because we never get no invitation a man party. That's why no found no get for turn up. And true no get for turn up a man party no have something bad for say no. Oh, you seeing both him party too much and him a father and if he calm down now and if he decent on a loud youth and go. Loud the youth and go and if you learn to stand for somebody sometime. On have the Peter spirit. A Peter spirit still alive in a Jamaican family, a Jamaican country, is still alive. You remember when time Jesus said, Peter, you know, so before the cockroach 3 times, you're going to tell people, say you don't know me. And so said, so done. Just one little problem you see and getting, I know, people are going to start turning back, oh, in party too much, allow the youth and go. Leave the youth and go. If I stand for something sometime. If I stand flat-footed for something sometime. Stop make every little wind come on the rocks and rocks and rocks. So if you get in a little trouble, advise the youth and say, boy, that and the right decision that in the daddy, but we die with you. We are going to support you, see, and we are going to tell you what to do. You understand? Instead of start beat him up on all them kind of thing, they allow you because the youth make sacrifice with. He will make sacrifice himself. And he sacrifice him and try to enjoy himself now. Him deserve to enjoy himself now. So allow you make him stay. You see me I deal with. You see him. This too shall pass, my youth. This too shall pass, brother. Here what I go tell you one. You see zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, brother. Just take that. Fly them, let me know where I go and become. I have friends who are nurse and friends who are doctor who tell me about this thing. Vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. You get the most strongest set of vitamin D from the sun. And take vitamin C, which is orange and lime. Use it, brother, and this too shall pass. Stay away, quarantine. Make sure you get as much sun as you possibly can. And this too shall pass. You hear me, brother? So nobody worry yourself about Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, alright. Him can call doctor, come and here, come take care of him. And he's a good youth. He's a good youth because if none of them in friend them are associate with catchy, he will reach out to because he's a good youth and if he give me props. You understand? Blame on a leader and on a leader of opposition. We're so desperate for power. Also desperate to be in control that them don't care about uno. You understand? Who call on what they are going to 10,000 like a money that them are going to for one I got you. Hey, listen man. Uno stand for something man.
Viewers, subscribers, and I really though, this man says some things when I really and truly agree with some of the things. I mean, I agree with everything the person saying, you see me? But I agree with a lot of the things that this person says. You know what I say? Yeah, the part with the whole taking the zinc, vitamin C and so forth, you see me? You see when it comes on to giving remedies and cure towards the COVID-19, you see me? My best advice is to talk to doctors about it. You understand me? Yeah, even though them say vitamin C and them thing there and zinc and whatsoever help fight against certain thing. Above all, you should always contact your doctor. You see me? Always contact the doctor. You see me? But yes, you see the part when I talk about the party where they say you see them both keep the party and all these things. Viewers and subscribers, you see me? Real meds when me look at it, you see me? If you see them both party, contribute to the spread of the COVID-19 in the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, you see, if that party contributes to the spread of the COVID-19, then what about the election campaigns? You see me? What about those times when persons are out there in the streets in their colors and in large numbers, you see me, all over the place in a bus and all these things, you see me? Just think about what I'm saying, the viewers and subscribers. You understand? So, you know, and I real, say that what you see him bold though is right, you know. I mean, give him the right, you know. But at the same time, the amount of negative things that had been said about Usain Bolt on social media just because he keep a party and, you know, certain things might happen now where, you know, him tested positive for the COVID-19 and so on. You see me? You know, we should be more concerned about wishing the best for him, wish for him to recover from this thing, because we are talking about COVID-19, this virus take many lives worldwide, viewers and subscribers. We can't be, people shouldn't be like, wishing certain things on him and saying bad things about him. Just be more concerned about the man's health. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, be more concerned about anyone's health. You understand? Whether they have the COVID-19 or not, we should all be more caring for each other. You understand? But anyways, you see me? This person is not the only person talk about Usain Bolt on social media and some of the things that persons had said on social media about Usain Bolt. You see me? I'm going to present to you another video. This video is going to show a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Gangoli. You see me? And Gangoli is going to tell you some things that some persons said about Usain Bolt on social media and some of the things that he think about Usain Bolt and some of the things that person said on social media. Alright? Now take a listen to some of the things that Gangoli have to say. Observe.
Yeah, peeps, once again there for the next serious reasoning. Zin, and you don't know, give thanks to life. And before me talk about Usain, more the people out there to protect on yourself, protect on your life, protect on your family. Zin, COVID and a joke thing. So the news out there circulate, Usain Bolt contract COVID-19, aka coronavirus. You see what I say? Yeah. And I read some comments on a specific site, and yo, me see some people are rejoice star. Yo, when I say rejoice, I mean rejoice. I say, yo, him should have catch it way too much partying and one bag of sick no matter about the legend. Zane, when you sick, something wrong with you, no? When you can rejoice on sickness, COVID, anybody at all can contract COVID. Anybody at all can sick. Anybody, in no matter who, any split second you can sick. You can't rejoice for sickness. See? The great legend. Look how much thing this man do for Jamaica country. I wanna go rejoice, some wanna rejoice. You're not sick, you're not mad. Tell about them people that say something wrong with them, me don't have a bad mind and mash up them or something, or me don't know. But something right with some of them people in mind. You can't rejoice. You say Usain Bolt contract COVID and you rejoice and should have catch a long time. Too much partying and then careless and him this and him that. Zane, and only never think. Some of them never think. Cause watch and I'm show you something. Cause one of meds enough meds deep, Him not have to catch it from a crowd there, Him can catch you an hour before, a day before, and end up in a crowd too, And he can catch it in a crowd too. You see it? So one have to think before not talk, What we are talking about now is him get a local youth and let's hope the local baby no catch it, no contract it. You see me I say? Him baby mother and him rest of family, extended family. You get me I talk about? Yeah, I hope them no catch it. You get me I talk about? And we have a speedy recovery to the great legendary Usain Bolt. You get me I talk about? Gangster prayer up. And anybody else we out there we catch this COVID thing and coronavirus, speedy recovery to and prayers up, You get what I talk about, because we don't rejoice over them things, We don't play them ball game, You see me I deal with? I want the people to know, say, yo, this thing is not a joke. Yeah. COVID not build for no poor
too
people.
Much
hear that?
Negative comments
build for rich and poor. Anybody at all can contract a thing. So, the only solution for us protect yourself. You have to be careful. Even more while, you can't be too careful, but you have to be careful. You get me I talk about, guys. You never know where they're around the corner. I wait. You get me I talk about? And you don't know no people. Take care of yourself, you see?
Viewers, subscribers, right here so is where me have to leave it. So I say, me just present two pieces of videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that these two persons have to say about this whole thing where it is said that Usain Bolt have the COVID-19 and some comments that have been made about Usain Bolt on social media. Understand me? Viewers and subscribers, I want to say big up and respect to Gangoli. I want to say big up and respect to the person in the video that I presented to you. You see me? I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want to say big up and respect to Usain Bolt. You understand? Yeah, I mean, Usain Bolt, everybody make mistakes, you understand? But see at the same time, even though persons make mistakes, you see me, wishing bad for them and saying certain negative things about them on social media. I don't think it is right, and I don't support certain things like that. You understand? So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this whole thing where it is said that Usain Bolt have the COVID-19 and those negative comments that have been made on social media about Usain Bolt. And let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said in these two videos that I just presented to you. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.